Hi, please introduce yourself.
Good day to my employers in Hong Kong. My name is Annalisa Medina Kitatoste, 44 years old, born on May 10, 1981. I'm a Catholic, high school graduate,
And your civil status.
married.
Do you have children?
Yes, sir. Two kids, 20 and 14 years old,
Okay, tell me about your work experience.
4 years and 2 months, sir. And, and four members of the family, sir.
Ages,
um, 20 and 14 years old, and 7 to 8.
which is the couple.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and other household chores that you do.
Washing, cooking, ironing, car washing.
Okay, and you have also another experience on your second employer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience on 2024 to 2025.
Five members, five members of the family.
Okay, the ages of the five members.
Um, with 18, 20, 24, 78. Um,
82, right?
yes, sir.
That's the couple.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the other couple, which is the 24 and 26, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, and you are also taking care of a 2 years old, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since you don't have any experience of taking care of a newborn baby, it's okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the temperature, check the tummy, and change the diapers.
Okay. If the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do what everything that you could, what
I'm
will you
calling
do?
the parents to advise me.
What you should do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I'm, I like to work in the Hong Kong because the high salary and um, give the salary.
Okay, so you want to work in Hong Kong because of
Yes.
the high salary.
Yes, sir.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years, sir.
And if your employer wants you to extend, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
But it is okay to you to learn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I'm watching the YouTube and making a recipe cook.
Recipe book.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And also you could watch your madam and sir if you have an employer in Hong Kong. Watch them how do they prepare so that you could learn. And also ask them if they could teach you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to eat to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take good care of pets. It is okay to you to taking
Yes,
care
sir.
of
Yes,
pets.
sir.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn
Yes, sir.
Cantonese like
Yes, sir.
okay. It is okay to you to also help the elderly to go to hospital or for checkups. It is okay with you?
I'm okay, sir.
Okay. My last question is what will be your message for your future employer?
So my message of my employer is um, I'm honest, kindly, obedient to to care the kids as my family, and hardworking.
Okay. Can you promise also to take good care of their children as your own?
Yes, sir.
And also follow the rules and regulations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Annalisa.
Thank you, sir.